Are you tired of feeling mentally and physically off balance? It's time to break free from chronic illness and embrace a transformative journey through Kundalini awakening. This powerful experience can lead to profound spiritual growth, enhancing your connection to the universe and deepening your understanding of yourself. Imagine feeling waves of energy coursing through your body, bringing with it increased vitality and inner peace. Many experience physical sensations like tingling or even tears, as your chakras align and heal. Join our advanced Divine Rising Shivam Yoga Divine Life Rising Course workshop for just 999 Indian rupees and say goodbye to chronic illness, anxiety, and insomnia. Instead, welcome a life filled with healthy relationships, abundance, and overall well-being. Don't wait, heal yourself today and unlock the vibrant life you deserve. For guidance, contact Dr. Surendra Singh Vird at 982-604-2177. Break free from chronic illness. Tired of feeling mentally and physically off balance? A Kundalini awakening can lead to profound spiritual growth, enhancing one's sense of connection to the universe and fostering a deeper understanding of oneself. Additionally, this awakening can bring about a sense of inner peace and contentment, transforming one's outlook on life and overall well-being. In this workshop and course you will get 8 of the life-changing benefits of a Kundalini awakening: increased energy in the body, the feeling of goosebumps or waves of energy moving through the body at times. For some, physical sensations like tingling, shaking, heat, headaches, tears, vomiting, and cold tremors can also occur. Your 7 chakras might be misaligned. But there's hope. Join our advanced Divine Rising Shivam Yoga Divya Utkarsh Vidhya Nirmal Chetna Kundalini Chakra Healing 2 days workshop and online course spiritual health wellness camp for just 999 Indian rupees only and say goodbye to chronic illness, throat issues, hypothyroidism, anxiety, panic attacks and insomnia. And hello to ultimate success in relationships, abundance of money and wealth, and a healthier you. Don't wait, heal yourself today. For more details, guidance, contact Dr. Surendra Singh Vird, psychosomatic well-being expert, spiritual health specialist, spiritual yoga therapist, healthy happy life coach, Divine Life Solutions India.